As you can see here, this is pretty much GamsGo, a website which you can get subscription for various platforms or AI accounts for a much cheaper price. But it's pretty much a shared account. So here, some of them you can get a private one as well, or you can just get the shared one as well. So this one here, you have the AI section. You have a lot of different options. You have the music section, you have the software section, as you can see here, VPNs and so forth. But we'll be taking a look at the AI section. So you have ChatGPT Plus subscription. If you want to get that, you can see here it's only $7 a month, maybe different price. As you can see here, you have a lot of other AI subscription which you can get at a much cheaper price with this website here. So if I do scroll down a bit, you can see the other websites, and I can tap on the view all option here to see all the websites that they offer. As you can see here, quite a lot of websites which they offer. You'd have to just pretty much scroll and look for what you want. But today we're taking a look at this one here, which is the AI I'll be looking at. As you can see here, if I do want to go ahead and purchase it, as you can see here the price for their monthly subscription for this year, and it's not the official or anything, but it's a shared account. As well, if you do go on the official website, as you can see here, it's pretty much $30 a month for the normal version, as you can see here, and also the super heavy version here is $300 a month, which is crazy. So and it's a very good AI, not gonna lie, very good AI tool which you can use as well. So as you can see here, you can tap on the option here to tap on view more details, or if you want to go ahead and purchase it, tap on the purchase now option. And as you can see here, you do have the 3 months option for only 3 months option that you'll be getting for 1 month price for the official one. But here you do get the options. You can see here the slot for this year. And as well, you do have the 6 months option, which you can get for this year as well. You can also activate the auto renewal feature. It does give you an explanation as to what that means. So you can either select the shared version or the private version if you want. Here you get the private version, obviously with a different price as well. You pretty much get it at a much cheaper price still, but you know what I mean. And if you're going to check out, do make sure you use my promo code. You can just tap on this option you will send half promo code and make sure you enter App Insider Pro, you should get a discount. So that's really pretty much it for that. So once you've purchased it, you're pretty much good to go. You will go tap on 3 lines over there, go with the subscription. Over here, my subscriptions. Once you do tap on this option here, you'll be able to see your informations and everything. I will blur out some of these section here, but you have to scroll on a bit, and then you'll be able to see your login information, passwords, and pretty much how much time you have remaining on your account. So all you have to do is pretty much copy the information. You can either copy the username or the password, whichever one works for you. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the information. I'm pretty much going to log in and show you guys how to log in and so forth. So if you have any problem with the login or anything like that, the password, do make sure to contact your support team. They'll get in touch with you very quickly. I've used this website for quite some while. I'm telling you guys, it is one of the best websites as it relates to supports. You're going to get in touch with you and make sure your problems get fixed. So sometimes they may be a bit slow, but it will get done. So go ahead and copy the username. So I'm going to go on the application itself. Once you either use the application, we'll just redirect to Google, and you pretty much have to log in from there, and then we'll redirect back to the application, and you're pretty much good to go. So if you use your Gmail or anything like that, then whatever the case is, but we'll be logging in from Google. So the application will just redirect you to Google. You can go ahead and enter your email here. I'm going to paste the email that I've copied from the website. And once you have copied that email, you're going to just tap on it next here, and you're going to go ahead and pretty much enter your password. So I'm going to pause the video and go ahead and enter my password. So all you have to do is pretty much tap on show key option. It will show your password. Then you'll be able to copy it. I will blur it out in the video, but you'll be able to tap on this option here to copy the password. Once you have done that, you pretty much can go ahead now to enter the password. So once you go ahead and paste your password, you're pretty much good to go. And we'll ask you for a verification here. Just load it up and you will see success, and you just go ahead and tap on login. So as you can see here, I'm already logged in. We'll just can open with the application if you have already logged in and so forth. So once you have redirect, we'll pretty much redirect to the application, or if you want to use the browser. So if I do go ahead and check the subscription that I have, as you can see here, I have the super option on top on the settings option here, and I can scroll down and pretty much check my subscription. As you can see here, I have the subscription right now that's active on this login here. So very good website, guys. I want you guys to check it out as well. If you want to check it out, make sure you use my promo code App Insider Pro to get a discount. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. Very good website. So if you still don't understand anything that I've said, comment below and I will see if I can help you. See you in the next one.